Hello students, now let's come to the new segment of graphical segment. Here I have plotted a graph for you. You can see here the coordinate system, clear. And if I'll go for each part, you can see that it is the first segment which includes all the positive numbers, that is we are moving from left to right. And if I'm moving towards left side, you will see that it is what in descending order form, -1 to -2 -3. As I told you in the first one, we never measure the distance negative, but it is what the way to represent the graph. Okay, same thing it has been followed on y-axis also. You can see y-axis there, and at the upper face you can see here +1 +2 +3 +4 +5 and so on. And just the mirror image of this whole segment you can see here, it is what -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 and so on. So now let's talk about the quadrants. So we have to move anti-clockwise. So this is our the first quadrant. Okay, this is what second and third as well as fourth. And a new term is spread. What you've done in your previous classes, it doesn't matter. But what is x coordinate also called as? So you can refer page number 57. It is given here. You can see the x coordinate is also called as what? Abscissa. You can see the spelling here. Okay, ABSCISSA. And the y coordinate, you can see the y coordinate is also called as ordinate. So abscissa, that is what referred for x coordinate, and ordinate is referred for what? Y coordinate. So let's come to the topic now. How to locate the points? Actually, in Cartesian system, if we used to write something in the bracket, so according to the convention, why I'm saying convention, because we have followed the same thing from past. So it is always the x-axis first, in terms of, because this one is what? Horizontal. So we consider the horizontal plane first, and then we'll go for the vertical. It is what? Y-axis. So this is what the way to represent the points in terms of bracket. But how we'll do it in graphical system? Now let me give you the notation of symbols in first quadrant. You can see here, this is what the x-axis and this one is y-axis. So in first quadrant you'll find that the x-axis is positive as well as y-axis is also what? Positive. Clear? You can see clearly first quadrant, x is positive and y is positive. Please be remember it. It will be helpful for you for the next year. Now for the second quadrant, you can clearly see that this is what the mirror image of x-axis. So it is what? Negative, as I told you what the mirror image means. And if I'll move to the vertical position, it is what? Y-axis, it is what? Positive. So for the third, you can see the cross here. For this, both the positive, if we have to buy other things, then you'll remember that first and third have their mirror images. But let's go for the concept. Here x dash axis is what? Negative, and y dash is also what? Negative. So both are negative. And if I talk about fourth quadrant, then you can see here x axis is positive and y axis is what? Negative. So it is what? Positive and negative. See the image. It is minus and here it is plus. It is plus, this one will be minus. So this is what, when you have to do something in hurry, but otherwise you have to proceed anti-clockwise. And you can see here the signs of the coordinates for the first quadrant, second, third and fourth. Now let me explain you a little bit about how to locate the point. So if I am taking, suppose I have to locate a point here 5 2. Remember the point 5 2. So it is what? X-axis, and this one is what? Y-axis. So 5 2 means what? Let's move on the coordinate system. First of all, check out both are positive. So both are positive means this is the first quadrant. So if you want to make sure, you can write here like a first quadrant, x and y are positive. If we are going for the second quadrant, okay, x is negative, y is positive. And for the third quadrant, it is both negative, and we are moving for the fourth one. Okay, so x is positive and y is negative. So try to remember it along with the plane. So x is 5 and y is 2. As I told you, we used to write first the value of x and then y. Both are positive. So we have to move for the first quadrant. It is our first quadrant and we have to locate 5 and 2. So you can see 5 here for x axis and 2 is somewhere here. So this is what the location. Let's give the name of the point. It is A. It is what? 5, 2. Okay, that is the value of x is what? 5 and for y it is what? 2. Normally what you used to do, you just sketch the line here like that to locate the point very clearly. So this is what? Location. Clear? It is 5, 2. If suppose you are asked to locate something like -3 and 3. Okay, -3 and 3 to come to the point. Now it is second quadrant. So you can say x axis is negative and y axis is what? Positive. So -3 and 3 will be located here. Can you see here? X is -3 and y is 3. Okay. First we have to consider the value of x and then we will move for value of y. Once again I am explaining that I am not here to give you the blocks and their measurement. First of all, I am explaining you how to locate the point. I am not going for any kind of specific measurement. It is only for explanation that how to locate the point. So -3 and 3 can be here by this way. Okay. So once again we can sketch the line here and this is what the part of B. It is -3 and 3. So same way, whatever the value is given either on abscissa or on the ordinate, it is what? The method of locating the point, as well as you to remember these things. That is first quadrant both are plus, second quadrant x axis negative, y axis positive, third quadrant both are negative, and the fourth quadrant is what? X axis is positive and y axis is negative. So one assignment I would like to give, example 1. Okay, what are the example 1 is given, you have to solve it. Okay, locating what? Seeing the position of point. No doubt a solution is also given, but you try to do it from your own. So in my next segment I will draw the graph and I will tell you some measurement about what type of graph you have to select and what are the blocks and what are the divisions are given. So in this segment I just explained you how to locate the point. Clear? Take care.